Today I'd like to talk about an increasingly important issue in our financial landscape, the risk of unregulated investments in South Africa. Over the past few years, South Africans have seen a surge in new investment opportunities, ranging from cryptocurrency schemes and online trading platforms to informal investment clubs and high-return wealth packages. While some may appear legitimate, many operate outside the oversight of the financial regulators, such as the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. And when an investment is unregulated, the risk to individuals becomes significantly higher. The first and most obvious risk is fraud and scams. Unregulated schemes are often built on promises of unrealistic returns with little transparency about how those profits are generated. Without regulatory oversight, there is no requirement for audited financial statements, no obligation to follow fiduciary duties, and no mechanism to verify whether investor funds are being used as advertised. Unfortunately, this environment has enabled high-profile Ponzi and pyramid schemes that have cost South Africans billions of rand. Secondly, unregulated investments offer no consumer protection. In the regulated financial sector, investors have access to complaint channels, ombud services, and legal recourse if something goes wrong. However, once money is placed into an unregulated investment, those safety nets disappear. If the provider collapses or disappears, there is often no way to recover lost funds. Another major risk is market manipulation and volatility. Many unregulated products, such as certain crypto tokens or offshore trading platforms, can be extremely volatile. Prices may be artificially inflated by the creators or influenced by practices that would be illegal in a regulated market. As a result, ordinary investors often buy at inflated prices and lose money when these schemes inevitably collapses. Furthermore, unregulated investments can create a false sense of security. Marketing tactics often use professional sounding terminology, social media influencers, and testimonials to create credibility. But without proper licensing, there is no assurance that the individuals managing the money have the necessary qualifications or experience. So how can South Africans protect themselves? The most important step is due diligence. Before investing, always check whether the provider is registered with the FSCA. Be cautious of guaranteed high returns, pressure to invest quickly, or secrecy around how profits are generated. And finally, seek independent financial advice from a licensed professional. In conclusion, while unregulated investments may appear attractive, offering quick returns or innovative opportunities, they come with significant risks. By understanding these dangers and making informed decisions, South Africans can better protect their hard-earned money and contribute to a more stable and trustworthy financial environment. Thank you.